back to another episode of 3-Throw Customs, eh? Hey, not a huge show for you today, but what we got going on is, something pretty cool. I don't know if you guys remember from the soundbar install, it was Mr. Kerry Crittenden from Cutter Road, western Alberta. He had sent me that soundbar. So what happened was Kerry ended up having a customer who had a set of these rock slider, not rock slider, but tree kickers. Yeah, a little bit different, I thought. I could call them different shapes. But anyways, what it was, they were Super UTV tree kickers, and it must have been a defect maybe on the powder coating. And Super UTV replaced the tree kickers under warranty and everything. And these ones here, the powder coating had flaked off and all that good jazz, so they were starting to rust. So basically I ended up getting these tree kickers for $50 price of shipping to my door instead of Terry taking it back or whatever. Super ATV didn't want them, so they ended up to me for super cheap price. Anyways, I took those, I cleaned them up, I painted them up, made them look nice and sticky. And also at the same time I just throw a little bit in there, and I put a turbo hood on my racer because I think, hey, why not? It just completes the look so much better. But I mean, stock hood was, but once you throw that XP turbo hood on there, I think you guys will all agree when you see it on there, it just really complements the machine so much better. Big time. So anyways, we ain't gonna fire around talking about it too much. Just like I say, it's just a short video, and we'll have a little ride compilation at the end where I show you what kind of the stuff that I put the tree kickers through and stuff right after I put them on. And then I'll show you also how the paint held up on it. But anyways, enough of me talking. You guys want to get into some good stuff. Let's get out there and get her done. Okay, so we got these tree kickers that were donated to me. Pretty much just paid for shipping, and powder coat. The paint flaked off of them pretty bad, so the guy got his replaced for new from Super TV or whatever it was. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean these up. We're gonna give these a quick coat of paint to match our machine, and we're gonna bolt them on and see what she looks like. Alright, now we're gonna throw some paint down. 3-toe style. Fucking right. Let's get her done. We got our pieces all blasted down with our wire wheel. Cleaned up really nice. Just gonna probably give them a quick spray and wipe. There's also some string here. I don't normally spray paint inside, but today we're making an exception because the weather's really shitty out there. It's really wet. You're just not gonna. Alright, I'll let that first coat of primer dry and I'm gonna hit her with a second coat. One thing I want to mention too about the primers is different color of primers you're going to use is going to affect how the color of your paint will come through on top. So for my purposes, I want to use white primer. It just happened that I had some here, so it worked out. Oh, definitely one of my favorite parts here when we start applying color. You always want to remember you don't want to go too nuts. You know? Alright, time for coat number 2. I like to do is I like to wait, I don't know, 7, 8, 10 minutes. I like to, you know, before it gets too dry, you like to start applying your second coat. Alright, we got these all done, all nice and painted. Oh man, this feels good. Handle it. So smooth. Really well. If anything we need, we get just another shot of clear here, maybe. Just I got 3 full coats clear on here, so we'll get these guys unhung here. We'll get our razor pulled back in and get these put on. What a nasty weather this time of year. Half raining, half snowing. I got a wet, cold ass. Ugh. I have to go in and get changed up. I think these are fairly quick install here for putting these on, so I don't think there's a whole lot to that. Just 3 bolts on there, here, and 1 here. So about that next quick work of these 2 guys. Not use an impact. Well, we fucked up here. Nope. That's it. That's all. They're on there. I'm gonna throw a little fucking touch up fucking on here in a few spots. That'll be it. Hey, I think that looks pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. I like it. Just wish my shed was bigger so I could take better pictures inside the shed. you have it. Starting to come together. Nice. Alright, so this hood here, I'm not a big fan of it. Don't look the greatest. This has got to go. Let's do something with this. See if our magic fingers can make something happen. Voila. Here we go. Turbo hood on the RZR S. Looks so much nicer. Man. Drops right on. No modifications needed. This is actually the hood that was featured on the XMARGH channel. YouTube channel. He done an install on how to fully install this with the wind scoop and everything inside of it for extra better cooling. I haven't even went that far yet. I just put a nice decal on here so I could reveal my RZR's new name, Freddy's Revenge. Custom made Freddy Krueger decal here. Nice. So yeah, anyways, no, that's what it is, and we got some more stuff. We're not done with this hood. That's why it's still just plain black. So we got more coming along with this. All right, everybody.